got some difficult times. And many people have fell onto those difficult times. But it is the challenges that makes us great. The challenges is what builds us up. Each living human being that can hear my voice on this day, I need you to believe once again. I need you to understand that you are not done yet. Every struggle that you have been through, every hardship that you had to encounter, you did what must be done, and yet you are still here. You fought the good fight, but you did not give up. The hardships, all of these things that we all had to endure, we can endure it a little bit longer. Every year, every opportunity that we have been given, it would either make us or it would break us. You are not allowed to be broken. You are not allowed to give in. You are not allowed to say that it's over. This year, 2021, here we go. Buckle up and go in with a full heart. If challenges will come, brace yourself, knuckle up, and go after it. It is not your choice to quit. There will be many more that will come our way, but we are strong. Not just physically, not just mentally, but it is the warrior spirit inside that will push you through anything. So make your stand and fight hard and be strong every day. No weakness, no chance of giving in. But you got the right attitude within you to carry on. Every one of us has more to gain than less, because we are greater than the things that we feel that owns or controls us. Nothing can stop what we are made of. We must unite. We, as a people, must come together. Let's build up again. What may have been destroyed can live again, can grow again, can have opportunities again. This is not over. It's just another year, another life, another chance. And we must be responsible to make it better and hold on to it together. We don't have permission to quit. The circumstances that we are facing, but then it comes to us as the people. We may not all think the same, but we all have the ability to come together in love, to be able to move on to the best thing in our lives. No more will we submit. No more will we say we're done. You're not done yet. Your life is still here. You have it. It is in you. It is in us. In 2021, here we come. And we're gonna do what's necessary to live on strong. To all the beautiful people in the world, I want you to be strong. I want you to continue to move forward. And from the bottom of my heart, 2021, we are one, and we all must conduct our business